Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy. I'm your Virginia traffic attorney. I have people routinely contacting our office to try to determine if they can have a case expunged. One person had a charge that was from 16 years ago and was trying to figure out if they could have that expunged in Virginia to try to erase the records from that charge. Unfortunately, if you are found guilty of an offense in Virginia, it is not eligible for expungement. It's just a simple rule, and it's unfortunately easy to apply. The only time you can have a case expunged in Virginia is if your case was dismissed. So if you were found not guilty of the case, then that could be eligible for a petition for expungement. Now, it's not automatic, but it's certainly something we can talk about. The second scenario is if your case was otherwise dismissed. So if you were maybe put on some kind of terms and your case was dismissed after you did some things, or if your case was nol prost, which means declined to prosecute. So those cases are very gray area, and in those situations it can be difficult to try to get an expungement depending upon why the case was dismissed. But if you were found guilty of a case in Virginia for a crime, unfortunately it's not eligible for expungement. That's just the simple bright line rule, and unfortunately there's nothing that I can do. But it is a case where I would encourage you to talk to your legislator and see if maybe they could change that, because Virginia should have some kind of possibilities for people who had something a long time ago in their past and can try to get over it. But if you think your case may be eligible for expungement, contact me today and we can talk about it.